Bufflehead back here.
He's cute.
I don't know why my lighting is so shitty.
Got it, Teach? Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if we can walk up on him. I can sit down. Yeah, he just noticed us. Oh my god, people. Oh my goodness. Alright. Right there we got a female buffle. There's two of them. And the male, he's way out there.
Other females back up.
He's way out there. Titmouse. Here's the female. And Jimmy can put Titmouse on the list. There's another female. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. I didn't do a damn thing. There's Buffleheads. There's Ivory. The great egret in the back.
Try it sideways.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Yeah, what the hell?
What the hell? I hear a copter.
Sounds like an R-22.
Nah. You got Buffles, great egret, and the Schwan. She's over yonder.
Where is it, babe?
Where's what?
The helicopter.
I don't hear it anymore. Okay. All right, that's a gadwall out there.
I'm not seeing it.
Okay. Hi, buddy.
It's a pretty big boat for in there.
Hi. You cutie, come here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Son of a bitch. Yep, thank you for fishing out there, you motherfuckers.
Ooh, I got a good picture of her.
Yep, there's a thing of buffaloes out there still. I don't know where the Schwani went.